you don't keep up, you stay back. See the boat?
You wanna know what to say? The narcissist, better watch yourself. You wanna know what to say? The narcissist, you better watch yourself. You better watch yourself. Yeah!
Hey, can you cover? I'm gonna cover one.
Ready?
Yeah, they're fucking everywhere.
Yeah,
Oh shit, yeah, I see them. Here, get in my position.
In the house. Nice. You got hit?
Yeah.
Shitting me? I'm in back laying, suppressing fire on boathouse. Repeat, on boathouse. Heavy fire, boathouse.
Suppressing boathouse. I'm backing them.
Hit!
Hey, you ready to go? I'm ready. Alright, suppress the fire, go, go.
Suppressive fire, suppressive fire. Go, 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 go. Yep, yep, we're good, we're good. Awesome, thank you. Hey, hey.
We gotta find Walter Sr., is that it?
We gotta get Walter Sr. and it might be easier just to let the lawyer do the work.
Selfie with me and Jess. There we go. Me and Jesse. Nice. That's who we want to see.
He's playing senior now, right? That's senior.
Yep, yep. We got senior. We got Jesse in the kitchen.
Perfect, yeah.
Let's go. Bring him in, boys. Bring him in. Nice job. Good, good, good. So, cooking away. Let's see him cooking in here. Oh, nice. Cooking units. That's chill as hell. Too funny.
Alright. It's gonna be a very toxic area.
Okay.
That's,
We're out.
that's yes to
Let's go.
live.
Yep. You're clear, going right to the base there, right to the base. Let's do it.
You wanna know what to say? The narcissist, better watch yourself. You wanna know what to say? The narcissist, you better watch yourself. You better watch yourself.